Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change the payment method for your Google Ads account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change your payment method in your Google Ads account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common to switch over to a different credit card or maybe a business credit card account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Ads account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change your billing payment method, here on the left side, you're going to click on billing. It looks like your credit card. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on payment methods. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see your current primary payment method. You can see I have this Visa. So there's a couple of different ways you can do this. The first and easiest way is you can go ahead and click on remove. Okay, once you click on remove, you're going to go ahead and enter the credit card number or debit card number that you want to change this out for. You can't delete a payment method when it's the primary payment method if you don't have another payment method that can swap out for it. But let me close this down. Another way you can do this is you can click right here, add payment method. Once you click there, you can go ahead and choose a new payment method. Once you enter in the credit card or debit card information, you want to click on save. After you click on save, you're going to have two payment methods, one primary, and then the other one is going to be an alternate payment. And you can go in there and make that one the primary payment method for your Google Ads account. Either way, it'll work. The only thing you can't do is completely delete all of the payment methods in your Google Ads account. You do have to have at least one payment method available. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to update or change the payment method in your Google Ads account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.